morning. Second day dito sa New York. Medyo maulan dito ngayon. And mas malamig kumpara kahapon. Hanap lang kami ng restaurant for breakfast. Thanks.
Se me olvidó cómo se dice cheese en zapoteco.
Papunta kami sa Woodbury Premium Outlets. Shopping outlets dito. Kanina sumakay kami ng train galing sa 49th Avenue papunta dito sa 4th Street. From here papunta dun sa shopping outlet. Sasakay kami ng bus for almost an hour.
So after gate 409.
407.
Nakakuha na kami ng ticket. Hinahanap lang namin yung gate 409 kasi doon kami sasakay ng bus. Thank you.
He's sitting at the phone, so probably didn't get him.
Outfit check. Naka-white shoes kami tapos umuulan sa labas.
Yes. Mga guys.
Inuulan na kami. Yung iba walang pakialam, oh. Kahit umuulan. Shopping pa din. Naghahanap lang ako ng tindahan ng mga relo. Titingin ako ng relo. Sobrang laki kasi nitong premium outlet na to. Tapos umuulan pa. So ang hirap ikutin. Jimmy Choo.
Jimmy Choo.
$500 na bag. Jimmy Choo. Check natin sa loob. Wala yung hinahanap ko na brand sa relo doon. May pambili ng mga damit, bag, sapatos. Pero walang pambili ng payong. Hey guys, nakabalik na kami dito sa New York City. Galing kami doon sa Premium Outlet para mag-shopping. Kaso inulan kami doon. Kaya hindi din kami nagtagal. Siguro mga 2 to 3 hours lang kami. Umalis na kami agad. Kahanap lang kami ng makakainan. Dito ba?
Say less.
Naghahanap lang kami ng makakainan kasi gutom na kami. Naghahanap kami ng Asian food dito. Ano? Chicken katsu and then shrimp siomai. Woo! Malamig. 14 degrees dito ngayon, guys. Tsaka mahangin kasi kaya lalang lumalamig. Siguro kung hindi mahangin, medyo okay lang yung 14 degrees. Kaso mahangin kasi.
Okay?
Sumakay kami dito sa tour bus. Itong bus na to lilibot sa mga sikat na attraction dito sa New York. Isang oras ang tour na to. $29 ang bayad each person. Mataas tong bus na to kaya medyo malapit na kami sa traffic lights. Traffic, kaya pala isang oras yung tour kasi traffic.
Here to the left-hand side of us. Bryant Park was initially known as a reservoir square as it was a giant water reservoir. Every attraction here in Bryant Park is free. In fact, they were the first ever park to offer free Wi-Fi. So this is the New York Public Library. Now left, right outside of the front of the library, sits 2 lions guarding all of those books, which holds about 50 million books inside. Offer out and pick up any book that you want and deliver it right back to you at the front.
Tourist attraction dito. Kinig na lang kayo sa kanya. Sana maintindihan yung English niya.
Now the Empire State Building was one of the main buildings that was in the participation of what's known as the Race to the Skies. It only took about a year and 45 days to complete the entire construction of the Empire State Building.
Yung Empire State Building na build in 1 year and 45 days only. Sobrang bilis. Brooklyn Bagel, sabi niya ito daw yung pinakamasarap na pinaka-the best na bagel dito sa New York. O pinaka-the best na bagel sa lahat. Kasi daw yung tubig na hinahalo sa paggawa ng bagel is galing sa natural spring. Kaya, which makes it the best bagel sa lahat. Eh. Hey guys, balik na kami dito sa hotel. Di na namin kinaya yung lamig sa labas. Sobrang lamig na talaga kaya bumalik na lang kami dito sa hotel namin. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!